Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change dustbin emptying frequency in your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge. To do so, at first here tap this gear icon over here. Now you need to scroll down and tap dock settings. Once you see that dustbin auto empty frequency, tap it. As you can see with the head off. No auto empty after a cleanup, empty the dustbin manually. Balanced, automatic empty is done with the dustbin after a cleanup. Suitable for a clean environment. High, automatically returns to a dock to empty the dustbin after during cleaning. Suitable for homes with pets or several carpets. That's how to set so. Here tap to just change the options. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.